To play FC26 Ultimate Team with Couch Co-op, first of all we'll need to click on a home located in the top left corner of the screen. You can see the button above it. Just click on that button and move down to the play. Next step is to select the game. We want to go for the play versus friend, and then on the bottom we need to select Couch Co-op. Right here you need to pick the controller inputs for both of the teams, or if you're playing with other people and have multiple controllers, there's up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slots. So I'm gonna go and select it like that, and then we can proceed. After which we'll be able to play a match, adjust our squads, pick the shirts and everything, and here we have it. We can play the co-op. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.